Hey guys, Ethan. So today, welcome to this episode of the Anvil SMP. In today's episode, we'll be doing random stuff. So yeah. Ow! In today's episode, I'm probably gonna go find some diamonds. So yeah. If I can open that door. Diamond boots. I don't need anything, probably. I've gotten way better at this game, so, yeah. Also, if that's way too loud, just let me, actually, I forgot that it's not a live stream, so you guys can't let me know if, this sounds good or not. My last episode, we were, ow. Oh. Ow! Not again. Whip. Will it? RIP myself. Willie, just RIP. Just please. I think all of these are despawn. Oh, I walked. I believe I've walked into a cave. I believe. I have to check with you. Also, I only have 8 diamonds, so yeah. Where is that zombie at? That's gonna cut me out all day. I'm not gonna in the shopping district. See stuff. I might actually have to make a shop soon. I might sell carrots. I don't know yet. I don't know how useful carrots are to the server. If you're part of the Anvil SMP, let me know how useful comments. No, carrots are in the soul. Just this is my original death roll. I'm just gonna home. No, set home. No, set. This is my original home. Don't take that as a consequence. Not walk home. So, as I'm up here, I have Elixir head. I keep forgetting of Elixir head up here. Those are, I think, well, at least as of October. I haven't been on since October. No, October 8th or something like that. Also, something bizarre like that. Plus, someone just likes my episode. I doubt that because I'm recording, so yeah. Okay, so water bucket. A bucket. Let's go to Warp. Not Warp home. I keep forgetting it's not Warp. It's not the Hill House. Anyways, and speaking of the Hill House is coming back Sunday. So that's why I'm playing this game, because the Hill House is coming back on Sunday. So yeah, I'll be doing this like every other week. I'll be mixing in the Hill House and the solo probably once a week. Have I announced that I'm in school yet? Yeah, I'm actually in school. Ow! No! Come on! Ow! I'm ow! I don't know where I'm at. I think this is actually the same place that I went this morning. I'm starting to think of it. Oh, yes. So I'm trying to avoid all these things. Yeah, I don't. Ooh, it leads into the cave with a bunch of skeletons. Ow! No! I'm trapped. Whoa! I'm just running at this point. I'm at half a hot blow. I'm at half. Yeah, what? I'm gonna go to the shopping district. I just typed it wrong. This probably will be like a 20-minute episode. I'm gonna try to shorten down my episodes to like 20 minutes or 28 minutes, around the 28-minute mark. So yeah, also, as you know, this is new since last time. This shop, I don't know what this sells though. And this shop is as well. These are the same shops, I don't know. Also, Homecraft, not Homecraft. I'm definitely in. This is Homecraft. This is Homecraft now, definitely. I think this is something like a quart, not quart. I don't know why I said Homecraft. The Anvil SMP is a big head of stuff. They keep getting distracted. Anyways, the Anvil SMP. Ooh. I've seen it before. Anyways, as Jumping Jack gets went up in flames, I'm gonna say that the Hill House the Hill House is gonna be not resetting the world this year. So the Hill House will be not reset because what's the point? We started like 2 months ago, according to the song. Also, I'm just mining away. Not mining. I haven't played. You can tell I've played this game in like a couple months. Whoever's up about this was, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry whoever had this vote. So now. Okay, Jumping Jack, I get you have went in up. Anyways, I'm gonna head into where is my base? Base. Oh, base. Oh, Pebble. That's a I'm completely it took me a minute. I think it's because you're on bed. No, it's not on your bedrock. He's a duck. He turned emo. Oh shit! I'm gonna guess it's a he because of the name. Or she. Maybe that's what that's what it has to do. Also, I really want to go find some new. Wait, where am I going? I'm just going in the Neville to see if there's any changes in there. Oh, I forgot that I have my own Neville area. Where is okay, Jack? A jumping Jack, please just stop. You're causing me stress. He's actually causing. I quit my job of the Anvil SMP. Also, the reason why I stopped recording these episodes of the Waltz is because I was very worn out, and now I feel comfortable to come back. As I fall down this again. As this happens, please subscribe. I just want to get past like 900 subs and also past this whole thing. I just kind of want to see why Jumping Jack is just dying so much. Also, I made that staircase once. I thought that was a piglet. That sounded very close to a piglet. He's jumping and he's a Jack, so he's actually new. I believe he's new. At least according to me, he's new. I didn't come on until the 20th. I didn't come on. Lexi, you two now? Come on. You too, Lexi? Come on. Also, this has been happening for like days. Not for days. For at least today. Unless they're trying to get like heads or something. I don't know. What's next? I'm gonna get put in lava. What's this? Is this where the jumping into lava at? I think everyone's in the Neville, to be honest. That's what I think everyone's at. Hi, dog. I don't know who you are. Whoa. Should be. Oh my god, what I just went to. Might as well get it a full. Yeah, it's at full now. I need to also repair my other tools so I can work that. I really miss this server. What the? I haven't been over here in a long time. So goodbye, let's go. Fall out the world. I wish someone can explain why Jack is really falling off the cliffs. I'm gonna actually meet him. So I'm gonna try to find him. I don't know. I don't know if I can. he's like far away. I think it's far away because I don't see him. All this world is all glitched. I'm not gonna go. I wish I could have other people to bug. But these are the only 2 people online because it is 10:46 at night. Oh, I guess I was just... Ooh! Where does the train lead to? I want to go on the train. I want to go on the train. I want to go on the train, literally. Is this the train? Yeah. You don't have... Where do you get your trains at? Oh, do I have to make one myself? I really doubt. I think for lives, but I've never seen this in my life. I am needed by false people. Where is... Okay, I'm gonna go walk to the shopping district. Ow. I'm bored. So guys, even though it's been like a 17-minute video, like, subscribe, and see you all next time. Goodbye, have a nice day.